The foundation of well-being, your gut health. It's the core of your overall wellness. Your gut is incredibly important. It plays a vital role in your daily life. It's responsible for breaking down food into essential nutrients. It also absorbs nutrients that your body needs to function properly. When your gut is healthy, you feel good. You have energy and vitality. A healthy gut also supports your immune system, keeping you strong. Many things can affect your gut health, both positively and negatively. Stress can be a big factor. Managing stress is crucial. What you eat also matters. A balanced diet is key. Even lack of sleep can impact your gut. Prioritize good sleep. Taking care of your gut is crucial. Probiotics can help. A healthy gut contributes to overall health and well-being. It's interconnected. Small changes in your lifestyle can make a big difference. Start today. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeasts that are beneficial for your health. They are often called good bacteria because they help maintain the natural balance of organisms in your intestines. These tiny helpers live in your gut, working tirelessly to keep it functioning smoothly. You can also find them in some foods and supplements, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily routine. Probiotics help keep your gut healthy by promoting a balanced environment. They do this by maintaining a balance of good and bad bacteria, which is crucial for overall health. This balance is important for proper digestion and can prevent various digestive issues. Probiotics have many benefits. They can help with digestive issues like bloating, gas, and even irritable bowel syndrome. Additionally, they can support your immune system, helping you fend off illnesses more effectively. Some studies suggest they may even play a role in weight management by influencing the way your body processes food. Eating a balanced diet is a great way to get probiotics naturally, ensuring you get a variety of beneficial bacteria. Fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut are excellent sources of probiotics, making them easy to add to your meals. Nature's Bounty Acidophilus. Probiotic is a supplement. It contains Lactobacillus acidophilus. This is a type of good bacteria. These bacteria are naturally found in your gut. This supplement is designed to support digestive health. It can help replenish the good bacteria in your gut. This can be especially beneficial if your gut bacteria are out of balance. Nature's Bounty is a trusted brand. They've been around for a long time. They are known for their commitment to quality and purity in their supplements. Section 4. How Acidophilus supports your gut. Acidophilus is a type of probiotic that plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Acidophilus works in several ways to support your gut. It introduces beneficial bacteria that help balance the gut microbiome. It helps break down food, making it easier to digest. This process ensures that nutrients are more efficiently absorbed by your body. It also helps control the growth of harmful bacteria in your gut. By maintaining this balance, it supports overall gut health and reduces the risk of infections. This probiotic may also help with lactose intolerance. Many people struggle with digesting dairy products. Some people have trouble digesting lactose, a sugar found in dairy products. This can lead to discomfort and digestive issues. Acidophilus can help break down lactose, reducing symptoms like bloating and gas. This makes it easier for those with lactose intolerance to enjoy dairy without discomfort. Furthermore, acidophilus can help strengthen the gut lining. A strong gut lining is essential for overall health. This is important for preventing leaky gut syndrome. A robust gut lining acts as a barrier against harmful substances. Leaky gut happens when the gut lining becomes permeable, allowing toxins to enter the bloodstream. This can lead to various health issues, so maintaining a strong gut lining is crucial. Section 5. Making probiotics a part of your day. It's easy to incorporate Nature's Bounty Acidophilus probiotic into your daily routine. The capsules are small and easy to swallow. You can take them with or without food. The recommended dosage may vary. It's always best to follow the instructions on the product label. You can also consult with your healthcare provider for personalized guidance. Consistency is key when it comes to probiotics. Taking them regularly helps maintain a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut. This leads to long-term digestive health benefits. Section 6. Take charge of your digestive wellness. Your gut health is vital for your overall health and well-being. Probiotics, like those found in Nature's Bounty Acidophilus probiotic, can play a significant role in supporting digestive health. By incorporating this supplement into your daily routine, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier gut. Remember to listen to your body, make healthy choices, and consult with your healthcare provider for personalized advice. Take control of your digestive wellness today. Start nourishing your gut with the power of probiotics and experience the difference.